Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shalika. I go by Shelly. DIY mirror that I made, which is actually behind me right here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you guys are interested in any specific videos, please go ahead and comment below. I would greatly appreciate it. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye. Okay, so right now I am about to finish up this DIY mirror that I've been working on, as well as this DIY vase as well. So to do my DIY, I started this on Sunday, but I ran out of the glass glitter, which this I get at Michael's. I bought this, if I'm not mistaken, from Hobby Lobby, as well as I'm using the Mod Podge. So I'm about to this is like dry, so I have to go over it again, brush over with the Mod Podge, and then add some more of the glass glitter. So on the base, it's already completely dry. I'm gonna put the Mod Podge on it and then put some glass glitter on it, or some glitter on it, because I wanted to kind of have the same effect as the mirror. And the mirror kind of has a little crack on it because when I was moving, they accidentally cracked my mirror. So that's what I'm about to do. And I have like a little paper plate that I'm using. So basically, and actually I have to buy more Mod Podge. So I'm about to pour the Mod Podge. If it would open. Okay, and this thing, it does dry, so you kind of have to be careful. So, and I'm inside, it's night, it's like after 10. So I just take the Mod Podge, the little brush, which I actually got this from Dollar Tree. It came, I think, in like a pack of 5. So basically, try not to get it on the mirror. So I just basically and instead of like rubbing it, I just kind of pat it in like this, so that it doesn't brush off like the glitter that hasn't like completely dried. So that's what I'm doing. And in the background, I'm actually watching YouTube. So I basically just do this like that. So I'm just gonna do a little section so you guys can kind of see. So once I put inside my little Christmas little things that I got from Burlington, it was like a pack of 2 for, I think it was $4.99 if I'm not mistaken. So that's it, and I'm about to open that. That right there. And so basically what I do is I just take the glass glitter and, sorry, I didn't focus, so you guys can kind of see. I probably should put something down on the floor to catch the rest of the glass glitter that falls out. So basically, as you guys can see, this is what it is. So basically, I'm gonna do it all around the mirror. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna finish that up, and I'm gonna do this all around. Let it dry, because I normally let it dry for a few hours, and now it's after 10, so it will dry overnight, and then when it dries, I will go back in and then go over it again with the Mod Podge and let it dry for another day or two. So I'm about to go finish that, and then I'll come back to you guys. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I've done so far, as you guys can see. So that's what the Mod Podge look like when you put it on, and then when it dries, it actually dries like that. I didn't do this side because this side is the way I want it to be. It's just that the rest of it needed some more of the glass glitter. So this is what it's looking like. Let me stand up. I'm actually using my phone. You see all the mess, but this is what it actually looks like. And then I will let it sit and dry overnight, and then tomorrow morning, now it's like 11 o'clock, so tomorrow morning when I get up, I will come back and I will show you guys what it looks like when it's completely dry. And actually, that mirror that you see on the wall right there, I actually got that from Burlington Coat Factory for $19.99, and then the two little mirrors on the side, I got those from IKEA years ago. And then the base, I actually also got that from Burlington Coat Factory. I think that, if I'm not mistaken, was like $14.99. And my mini fireplace is from Amazon. And as you know, you can find a lot of stuff on Amazon, and I've had that, I think, for over a year, and it's actually really pretty good. I bought it because of, you know when you're having like a cozy little night in, movie night, you turn it on, and let me show you guys. So you turn it on from the back, and that's actually what it looks like. And then if you want the heat, you can turn on the heat. And my Buddha is actually from Ross, and then that little vase right there, pieces are from Dollar Tree. And basically what I did, I spray painted that black, spray painted that white, and basically just glue it together and just made a little vase. And my pampas grass is actually from, if it will focus, I think I actually got it from eBay. It's not that much. I actually bought some more, and I'm waiting for them to come, because when you buy stuff from China, it actually takes like a month or so to get here. So when I purchased these, I thought it was gonna be like fluff, like more, but it wasn't. So I ordered some more, and I'm waiting on this. I forgot the price of it, but I do have it in my order list, so I'll go ahead and link it below. But I got it. It's actually pretty good, and the heat on it actually is pretty good. So if you like your bedroom, or like your living area, or you have like a small apartment or something like that, it actually heats up pretty well. So yeah, that's pretty good. But tomorrow, like I said, I'll come back and I'll show you guys what it looks like when the mirror dries. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so I finished the DIY mirror that I was working on, where I did the glitter around the frame. So this is, let me step back, this is what it looks like, and I will go up close again so you guys can kind of see it. So that's the mirror, and I kind of put it up. Forget the little thing, I'm gonna have to go over that. But yeah, that's my DIY gold mirror with the glass glitter around it. And then I'm gonna show you the vase as well that I finished. So this is the vase So this is the vase that I finished, and I switched my pampas grass to the vase. And like I said, I'm waiting on some more to come in the mail that I ordered. So I'm gonna move up close so you guys could see what it looks like. So that is it. And I think I'm gonna make a second one like this to kind of go on the opposite side. So yeah, I'm gonna make a second one to go on the other side. But yeah, that's the vase that I made. So this I actually got from Ross a while ago, and then this I got from Joann's on sale. They were having a sale, so I got that from Joann's. And then the jewelry box I got from Ross a long time ago. But yeah, that is, and I'll again zoom in, that's the vase. And like I said, I'm gonna make another one. All the items, well, I got from Dollar Tree except for this, zoom in, this, and this I actually bought from Hobby Lobby. So I got those from Hobby Lobby, and then I just kind of glued them on with E600 or E6000. But yeah, that's my finished vase.